Now they are asking us to apply to the numbers indicating the quantity of each of the elements, the font color blue, and then to the data of the last 3 rows to apply a diagonal upwards gradient fill. Let's see where this is. Okay, we go to our quantities since they want us to apply a blue font, which is not the background color but the color. For example, this here, the blue one. Okay, well, that's it. Since they do not tell us exactly what blue they want, we pick this one, we apply it, okay. And it also tells us that to the last 3 cells, which indicate the quantities, to apply a fill. This is already a more specific function, so we will go to the drop-down menu for font. Here we have all the possibilities. We have many, many possibilities. Among them, we have this effect which, well, it's a case of knowing what our options here are at least. That we have fill effects. It has diagonal upward shading, for example. Let's select this one right here, and now we are going to apply it to each of the cells, which means that we are going to be getting an effect like this one. We can see it on the screen right now. In a way, this effect is making our spreadsheet look way more stylish. Well, this is one of the many tools that Excel provides us with in order to make our documents look more attractive. See you all in the next exercise.